Welcome to Maths for You channel. A past question on differential equation from Oxford and Cambridge past paper, A-level past paper. Express x squared minus 8x plus 9 divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2 to the power of 2 in partial fraction. Express y in terms of x given that dy over dx equal y times x squared minus 8x plus 9 divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2 squared, and y equals 16 when x equals 3. Let's start with the first part, partial fraction. X squared minus 8x plus 9 divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2 squared. So the question, complex question function, we have to find the partially fractioned functions. A over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 2 squared is a standard partial fraction form, where a, b, c are constant, which we have to find. Once you find the constant, then the question, first part question is done. So the left hand is same, the right hand side, the LCM of those three separate function questions, a over x plus 1, b over x minus 2, c over x minus 2 squared, the LCM is x plus 1 times x minus 2 squared. That is exactly same as the left hand side denominator. So if you could simply do this simplified, a times x minus 2 squared is LCM. So in other words, LCM divided by x plus 1 gives you x minus 2 squared. So a times x minus 2 squared plus b, if you divide the LCM by x minus 2, so you will get b times x plus 1 times x minus 2. Then if you divide the LCM by x minus 2 squared or x plus 1, so c times x plus 1. And the denominator both sides equal, either ignore it or just cancel it. So that's cancel the denominator because both are same, either side of the equation. So the left hand side, what we have, x squared minus 8x plus 9, the right hand side, a times x minus 2 squared plus b times x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus c times x plus 1. So both sides are identical. So let me simplify it a bit more. A times, if I expand x minus 2 squared, x squared minus 4x plus 4. This is a simple expansion. B, and then if you could expand that, b times x squared minus x minus 2, and c times x plus 1. So what we need to do, both sides are same, so we can equate the respective x function and the coefficient of the x function both sides. So equating the coefficient of x squared to start with, we have on the right hand side, the left hand side, the coefficient of x squared is 1. The right hand side, the first one, is a times x squared. So for the coefficient of x squared is a. The second one, b times x squared. So coefficient of x squared is b. And the third one, c, there is no x squared, therefore nothing. So a plus b is 1, is equation 1. Then equating the x to the power of 1, or x, the coefficient of x to the power of 1, or coefficient of x. The coefficient of x on the left hand side is minus 8. On the right hand side, the first one, 8 minus 4 times a, minus 4a. So that's, we have minus 4a. Then minus x times b, therefore minus b, plus c times x plus c. So that is second equation. Then equating the coefficient of x to the power of 0. That is just the plain numbers. Number on the left-hand side is 9. The right-hand side, if the first one, 4 times a, 4a, minus 2 times b, minus 2b, 1 times c is c. So it's 4 minus 2b plus c. That's the third equation. So we have three equations, three unknowns, easy to find. So if I could subtract 2 from 3, then simply 9 minus 8 minus 8 minus plus. So 9 plus 8 is 17. And this side is 4a minus minus plus. So 4a plus 4a, 8a. B, 2b, then plus b, so minus b, c cancel out. Therefore, 8a minus b equals 17. This is the fourth equation. We have equation 1 in terms of a and b. Therefore, if I could add 1 and 4, equation 1 and 4, the left-hand side of equation 1 is 1. So 17 plus 1 is 18. And the right-hand side is a plus b, here 8a minus b. So when you add it, b cancel out, so 8a plus a, 9a. From that, a equal 2. A equal 2. So from equation 4, substitution for a, if you could substitute that, 7 times 8 times 2 is 16 minus b. From that, b is minus 1. Substitute the a and b on equation 3. Equation 3 on the left-hand side is 9. A is 2, so 4 times 2 minus 2 times minus 1 plus c. That is from that. So 8 plus 2, 10. If we bring that 10 to this side, 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So c equal minus 1. So we have found all these unknowns, a, b, c. So that partial fraction on the left-hand side equal 2 over x plus 1, a is 2, minus 1 over x minus 1, b is minus 1, minus 1 over x minus 2 squared, is c is minus 1. So that's done. That's the first part done. Second part, they have given us the dy over dx and y times the initial function, the first part function. So let me, I got it here. Dy over dx equal y times x squared minus 8x plus 9 divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2 squared. Then again, it's y equals 16 when x equals 3. We will use it later on. What we have to do to start with, we have to, this is the differential equation. We have first differential equation. We have to separate the variable. The variables here are x and y. So separate the variables. So on the left-hand side, we have x and y variable, right-hand side x and y variable. So we need to bring one side to one variable, the other side the other variable. So if I could cross multiply dy over y and cross multiply dx the other side, so it's separated. So the dy over y equal x squared minus 8x plus 9, because of y can come to left-hand side, x plus 1 times x minus 2 squared, and dx cross multiplication. If I could rearrange it, so 1 over y instead of y over dy, 1 over y dy. And we know this function on the right-hand side, we know partial fractions of that function. So that is 2 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 squared from part 1. So all we have to do, differential equation means, is integrate. So if you integrate both sides, it's 1 over y dy, and the integral of 2 over x plus 1 dx, minus 1 over x minus 1 dx, and minus 1 over x minus 2 squared dx. So the left-hand side is, we have the denominator is differentiation of the denominator. So the differentiation of denominator y differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So we have the denominator is a differentiation of denominator. Therefore, ln, the inverse ln y. On the right-hand side, we have, I just took 2 out, we have 1 over x plus 1, if you think about it. And that is 1 is the differentiation of denominator, x plus 1. Therefore, ln x plus 1, 2 times ln x plus 1 minus. And again, the numerator's differentiation of denominator. So x minus 2 with respect to x is 1. Therefore, ln x minus 2. Then the third one, x minus 2 squared. So x minus 2 squared means we can write it x minus 2 to the power of minus 2. So if you integrate that, this will be x to the power of minus 2 to the power of minus 1 because of power increase, and the minus 1. Then is differentiation of x is 1, so I just leave it. So this one is minus 1 over x minus 2, just like that. So that is exactly what I did here. So minus become minus become plus, and then 1 over x minus 2. Then the differentiation of x is 1, so we just ignore it. And c is a constant, the integral constant. C is a constant. So we know that the logarithmic property, it says if a times ln b, that is equal ln b to the power of a. That is simple as that. So that is exactly what I did here. 2 times ln x plus 1 is ln x plus 1 squared. Then ln x minus 2, the second part, 1 over x minus 2, and c. Again, as another one, another logarithmic property is ln where is it? Yeah, okay. Say on this side, I'll write it ln a minus ln b, that is equal ln a over b. That is exactly what I did here. So it is then, here. So ln y on the left-hand side, ln x plus 1 squared over ln x minus 2, and then 1 over x minus 2 on its own, and plus c. If I could bring the ln to one side, so ln y minus ln x plus 1 squared minus x minus 2 equal 1 over x minus 2 plus c. The same principle, logarithmic principle, ln y minus ln x plus 1. That is this one. If you could sort of rotate that, so y divided by x plus 1 squared, x minus 2. So it's not, in other words, y divided x plus 1 squared over x minus 2. That is equal y x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 squared. That is exactly what I did here. So ln y times x minus 2 over x plus 1 squared equal 1 over x minus 2 plus c. Then if I had another logarithmic property, ln a equal b, so a equal e to the power of b. That is simple, the property of logarithm. Ln a equal b, ln a equal e to the power of b. That's here. So it's just the y times x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 squared. And the right-hand side, what we have, the whole thing, 1 over x. So e to the power of the whole thing, 1 over x minus 2 plus c. Then again, I just wanted to keep that y separate. So y equal, because we need to find the y equation, y equals something. So y equal cross multiply. So cross multiply means x plus 1 squared to the top, and x minus 1 to the bottom. So cross multiplication, and then, of course, keep that e to the power of 1 over x minus 2 plus c. Now I just want to substitute x and y values. So y value 16 is given, and when y is 16, x is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 squared, that is 1. And 3 minus 2 is 1, I just left it, just 1. And then e to the power of 1 over 3 minus 2 is 1, so just 1, and plus c, that is plus c. So this 16 is 16, so 16 over 16 is 1, as 1 here, and this side e to the power of 1 plus c. Again, e to the power of x plus y is equal a to the power of x times a to the power of y. That's so here e to the power of 1 plus c, I just wrote it at e to the power of 1 and e to the power of c. From that, e to the power of c is 1 over e. So we have found everything in the form of well, we found c, but e to the power of c. See whether we can remove that when we come to y equal. So y, we know that, we just got it here. So y equal x plus 1. Yeah. Y equal x plus 1 squared over x minus 2 times e to the power of 1 over x minus 2. Here we go. Just here, this one, if you look at y, that is just maybe if you could put another equation, e to the power of c. So if you separate that here, 1 over x minus 2, that is here, if you look at that here. So 1, e to the power of 1 over x minus 2 plus c, that can be written in this form, so that e to the power of 1 over x minus 2 and e to the power of c. E to the power of c is 1 over c, 1 over e, that's what I just wrote it. So just left one or two step. Students should do that for their clarity. So so I bring that 1 over e to the front to make it, because it's just a constant. So 1 over e, x plus 1 squared divided by x minus 2 times e to the power of 1 over x minus 2. That is equal y. This is what we have been asked to find. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share this contents with your friends and other A-level students. Thank you.